Okay guys, Randall here. We're going to head into Lowe's this morning. Got some really good tool deals going on. I thought I'd share them with you. We got the Dewalt 8 1/4 inch portable table saw. That price was $3.99. New lower price $3.29. We got the Dewalt 21-piece titanium drill bit set. That price was $24.98. New lower price $19.98. We got the 4-piece Grab It Speed Out Pro. That price was $19.98. New lower price $14.98. We got the Spyder 2-pack, 7 1/4 inch, 24-tooth tarantula blades. Special price, $12.98. Now I have never used a Spyder blade, so if anybody's got any comments they want to throw out there and help us with, please go right ahead. We got this Dewalt 110-piece bit set. That price was $49.98. New lower price $29.98. We got the Metabo HPT 1/2 inch cordless hammer drill. You're going to get 2 batteries, 1 charger, 1 carrying case. That price was $279. Clearance price $167.37. We have the Spyder 25-piece mock blue impact bit set. New price $24.98. Got a great price on this Spyder 6-piece carbide tipped hole saw kit. Was $49.98, now $27.47. That works on block, brick, tile, wood, PVC, even cement board. We got this Cobalt 3-piece lock blade knife set. Price was $19.98, new lower price $14.98. Got the Cobalt 3-piece groove joint plier set. Was $19.98. New lower price $16.98. That does include the 8-inch, the 10-inch, and the 12-inch. Also has the hassle-free lifetime guarantee. The Craftsman 14-piece gold oxide drill bit set was $14.98. Now $8.98. The Cobalt 14-piece T-Handle Hex Key Set, standard and metric, was $39.98, now $29.98. Has a hassle-free lifetime guarantee. You got the Cobalt 3-piece lock and plier set, was $19.98, now $16.98. Has the hassle-free lifetime guarantee. You get the 10-inch, the 7-inch, and the 6.5 inch. The Bosch wood and metal 10-piece jigsaw blade set was $13.98. New lower price $9.98. You got a 7-piece Bosch reciprocating saw blade set. Was $15.98. New lower price, $9.98. We have a new lower price on the Rockwell oscillating tool. It's a 10-piece kit. You're going to get the tool and a 9-piece accessory kit with it. And that price was $99. New lower price, $79. You got this tough belt, 360-degree pocket level. Was $24.98. Now $14.98. Got the tough belt, scraper utility knife with 5 blades. Was $17.98. New lower price, $14.98.